out the streets. Checking out. Checking out. Checking out. Checking out the streets.
Guangzhou. We're gonna walk down a walking street, and they have all the blocks up so that cars can't go in it. It's perfect. So we're gonna go check it all out, show you what it looks like. Let's put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we'll also show you where we came from. So this is called Enning Road. Goes all the way down to like Bruce Lee's ancestral home and a Cantonese opera location that's famous historically. But we're gonna be that's gonna be the past videos. So you can see that in my other Guangzhou ones, but this particular one is going to be this particular pedestrian street. So check it all out. I'll put it up on the map for you. Guangzhou. Okay, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're going to be, let's just get you there as if you're there yourself. Come and join me. Okay, so let's walk on in. Give you an idea what it looks like. So yeah, no cars, so it's a pedestrian street. A lot of people are underneath the arcade, I think because it's still a little bit hot outside. So maybe we'll go in there as well because we're gonna have time. And then you can see some of the shops. And also the shops have air conditioning that come out of them too. And then if you hear those clappers, those are, that some strange reason that brings in customers. I'm not sure exactly why, but so they buy those little clappers and then they clap vigorously, and then the idea is that people like the noise and then they come in, they see all the noise, so they think something's happening and then they go in and buy stuff. Whether that's academically proven to work for Chinese audience, I have no idea. But that is kind of the theory with a lot of Asia. So I used to have that a lot when I was in Korea. Probably Vietnam has that too. China-based Asia, I mean. Heavily China-influenced Asia. Yeah, the noise attracts people. Let me just see what this little alley is. Let's walk towards that. So it's not just a pedestrian street, but also you have these little alleys of like residential homes, businesses. So I'm just going to walk down it a little bit just so you can get an idea. And I think that this whole area is filled with these streets like this, these little residential streets. So yeah, kind of interesting. And they kind of just keep meandering about. So they'll even go down like parallel down that way as well, and down that way, all the different directions. See, these little things here are usually in another location that would be like a patio, it's like a family courtyard. But that looks like it's just above somebody's house. Okay, so we are going to, yeah, I can hear that clapper thing. We'll probably see more of those. I think there's even a little mall in there too. Oh, it's a movie theater. Let's just walk out into the pedestrian street. Yeah, so that lady there clapping, that's to bring in customers. So you'll see that everywhere. So here's another one. There's a couple of them, so we'll just walk by them real quick. There you can see all the customers they brought in. Just kidding. But maybe when there's nothing to do, they put them out there. And then when people come in, maybe they put it away. But yeah, this one has like 2 of them for their shoes. It also doubles as a fan. to the food court area. Let's just take a look at this vehicle real quick. These are also some cars and maybe motorcycles. Big vehicles can't get in at all. Lemon tea. I should get some lemon tea. The lemon tea is really commonplace here. We're going to continue down our street in a moment, but I think our street might, we'll see where it goes. I'm going to get this lemon tea. I'll bring the camera with me. It's really tasty. Yeah, this little lemon tea shop right there. So let's see if somebody's here. Maybe nobody's here right now. Yeah, usually I get this Thai style one. That one's really good. There we go. Oh, thank you. And I got a little like, so I'll put that in my pocket. Got this? So that's so I got this, and then and I gave the deck away to a little girl, so hopefully she likes that. Oh, so refreshing. I usually get this one called Thai style lemon iced tea. So refreshing. These are everywhere in Asia. I mean in China. Oh. If you get a chance, I get the big one. It's 28 RMB, which is I guess that's like about $3, a little over $3. You can also get the one for 18, which is like $2, smaller one. Oh, so worth it. So refreshing. Oh, amazing. Okay, so we got more of these guys with the clappers. So the guys that sell the clapper stuff must make a lot of money. Oh, that air conditioning feels so good. Okay, let's go back to the main street here. I wonder what the street looks like late at night. So it looks like we can go across. Xiajiu. If you go near the buildings, it's like nice and air conditioned. This guy had a long day. He's out. He's really out. Yeah, right here you get all the air conditioning comes out because they put the full blast air conditioning. And there's nothing to keep the cold air in, so it just goes right out. And when you walk by, it feels great. So you call air conditioning the outdoors. In the United States, they tell you to never do that, but here. Okay. This looks like our street. We'll go down a little bit further. Give you a full idea what this looks like in Guangzhou. Throughout China, there's these little statues. So there's one there. We'll definitely see more. Christian style building in Guangzhou. So that's kind of the idea right up there. So that's the street that we're on. I think she wants to see what my camera image looks like. What are you looking to see? I think she wanted to see what I'm looking at in my camera image. There's another one right there. We got another one. Let's see what this one is. Hidden Mine Apparel. I look at all the business they're trying to drum up. We've had a few people in there. There's like 3 of those clappers, and there's a lot of people in that store. So it's actually working. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, there's like 3 clappers right there. Yeah, hello. I think she's watching what I filmed, so she's looking to see what it is I'm filming, so she's kind of watching behind me. So I think she's gonna probably come behind me again and watch again. I'm not sure. I guess she's just curious. Maybe sometimes people are curious, like what a foreigner films or what they're doing, or I don't know. Sometimes they want to see the image, but they have the same images when they use their phones for videos, cameras, so I don't know. Okay, so it looks like we're going to be coming up to an end in a moment here. I'm still enjoying this nice cold drink. And if I can keep walking, I will. But it looks like it might come up to some kind of square or ending or transition of some kind. And we're gonna know all about it in 10 seconds. It looks like some kind of giant square. Okay. Let me just kind of see. It's all these tall buildings everywhere. So the bus drops people off right there. So this looks like a major transition spot. Okay. So that was our pedestrian street down that direction. And it looks like it just keeps on going a little bit further down here. So I don't know. So I think that's going to be the ending all the way down to that space. To the left there's actually like, yeah, I think that's going to end. I just want to capture this little image right here. Foreign women in Chinese costume, Chinese. Okay, so I think that's going to be the end, all the way down. Vision. I guess this is like a smoking section, or you can eat in here. I guess it's a smoking section. Okay. I guess we'll come to an end. So this was our walking street, pedestrian street. Liwan Plaza. This is actually Liwan District. Okay, there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed it. A little slice of Guangzhou for you. Lingnan style storage shed. So that was the anniversary. And we're gonna end it right there. Got some kind of cool stuff like that. He's gonna pose there. And then this is the anniversary right here. So we got the pedestrian street that blocks it. So yeah, there you go.